Welcome to Smart Story Studio, where timeless truths come alive through powerful scripture stories filled with lessons, emotions, and transformation. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any of our weekly uploads. Now, let's dive in. Long ago, in the land of Canaan, Prophet Ibrahim, A.S., received a divine command in a dream to sacrifice his beloved son, Ismail, A.S. With unwavering faith, he went to his son and shared the divine vision. Ismail, A.S., displaying remarkable obedience, said, "O my father, do as you are commanded. You will find me, inshallah, among the patient ones." Their mutual surrender to the will of Allah was profound, showcasing their unmatched trust and deep faith. Together, they journeyed to the location for the sacrifice. As they arrived, the atmosphere was filled with tranquility, and the intention to submit wholeheartedly to Allah's command was evident. Ismail, as laid willingly on the ground, ready for the divine decree to unfold. Ibrahim, A.S., prepared to carry out the act, his heart at peace despite the gravity of the task. At the pivotal moment, as Ibrahim, A.S., lifted the knife to fulfill God's command, a miracle occurred. Allah showed mercy and replaced Ismail, A.S., with a ram, sparing his life. This miraculous exchange embodied the divine favor and mercy granted to those who submit to his will. The sacrifice became a timeless symbol of surrender and obedience to Allah. It was a testament to the belief that ultimate love and trust in Him bring blessings beyond imagination. This event is commemorated annually by Muslims worldwide during Eid al-Adha. The story of Ibrahim, A.S., and Ismail, A.S., serves as a fundamental example of how surrendering to Allah can lead to miraculous outcomes. They were willing to give up what they loved most for their Creator, exemplifying ultimate devotion. Moral: surrendering to Allah brings miracles. Actionable: be ready to give up what you love for Allah. Submission is the key to divine favor. Moral lessons: 1. True faith is shown through complete obedience to Allah's will. 2. Surrendering to Allah's command brings divine intervention. 3. Trust in Allah's plan, even when it seems difficult. 4. The reward of submission to Allah is always greater than the trial. 5. Allah's mercy is limitless, and He rewards those who obey Him with sincerity. Actionable plans. 1. Reflect on your own willingness to submit to Allah's will. 2. When faced with a challenge, trust that Allah's plan is always for the best. 3. Practice gratitude by accepting both blessings and trials as part of Allah's plan. 4. Show patience in moments of hardship, remembering the example of Ibrahim, A.S. 5. Always be ready to give up what you love for the sake of Allah. Your submission is the key to His favor. What a journey through faith, failure, and God's unfailing love. If this story moved you or taught you something powerful, drop a comment below and tell us what stood out the most. And don't keep this truth to yourself. Share this video with a friend who needs some light and encouragement today. Remember, here at Smart Story Studio, we tell stories that inspire, teach, and transform lives. Subscribe now for more emotional, dramatic, and truth-filled scripture stories that shape your mind and spirit. Until next time, stay inspired, stay strong, and stay rooted in the Word.